Right, we're back. We're going to do some of this porcelain flagging today. We're just going to go round down here, round other side, and then there's a nice manhole and stuff to do, so we'll get that in this video. Right, let's crack on. Got some big beds on here. We're just putting another mix, so we've got plenty of coverage. Bigger the better. I like bigger. Odds it more toward, you know, when this slurry sticks, it'll odd the full, you know, full big bed, 50mm bed or whatever. Bought a new blade because that blade was absolutely shocking last time. So we got the proper ruby blade this time. 88 quid or something. Expensive, but it should do it. What we've been doing before, you wonder how we cut them others. We didn't use that other blade. I had a 4-inch ruby and we just used that on that little grinder. But we needed a 9, so hopefully she'll do the job. I don't know how long it'll last. Easy prime for this. On porcelains. This is round here. This is what we did the other day, this wall. Still got some stuff to sort out. I've got to get that drain there into that plug there. I'll cut that out later and join that into there. But we've got these set. Step there, that's got to go into the right pain, honestly. None of this thing has been set up for these. So it has made it hard, but we're getting there. First cut, let's see how the ruby does it. Tim's on the saw. Shazam. Done. Yeah, look at that. Lovely. Right, this is that lot. So we've got it set in. This is going to go round. All I need to do is I'll pull this out and I have to put a piece in there and one round that side. And because you can't cut round a pipe, there's the only way you can do it really, unless you cut it like there and you'd have a joint there. But that little bit there, no one's ever going to notice that and that. But I'm going to let that go off a bit first, and then we'll just fill them little things in. Looking alright, innit? We still need them manhole covers there in order. I've had to like put a pipe in through there, down there, into that. That'll go. It's only running that little bit. And then this one, oh, there's one under the step here, and that'll go into this, soak away all the rest of them. They'll go down there, and Josh and that's just getting some more hardcore in, and we can start this. That, believe it or not, God, that, it was going horrible yesterday. It took us a day to just get all this in. We did hardcore it and stuff, but whoa, long time. This blade here, it's still chipping out a bit, but I think if we wear these down a little bit more, we use these on rough cuts. We're finishing off. I've brought electric, little 4-inch electric today with this one. This one, perfect, no chips. It did chip at first. This one here, it's still chipping a little bit, but I'm sure it will wear in. Hopefully it'll wear in for when we do that. Otherwise we're going to have to do it with that. We'll find out. They finish it off quite well, don't they, them? Mess about here. Drain down here. Down here. Just built this step. And I think... So, this is sort of what he wants, I think. So, see how it comes off there? Sort of middle, but I just need to check it with him whether he wants to go that way, whatever he's happy with. and then they'll go that way. So it'll go from there, then flip that way, and then it'll flip that way because there's another step going there. Just need to check this, make sure it's right.
Yep. You know it.
Oh, here she blows.
Right, isn't it?
Down, 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 down.
Dad's gonna get done for copyright at this rate.
Down, 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 down. Beautiful. Well, that's that bit low, and then this will go. This step will go level with that, which will look sweet, and then that gets cut by here, and then round. I'm just putting this in. Got these in. Just putting this in here. We'll just cut this. That's going in, and it'll go halfway, so there'll be a good outline down there. So we'll have to put 2 cuts in that. Yeah, looking good. God. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Way too much here.
You like put way too much on?
Yeah, Tim's fault.
Yeah, don't blame me. I haven't even been over there.
You get that other tile in there, that's that other triangle cut. It's a rough cut though first, so whether you want to do it with big grinder or not. No, you just want to.
Yeah, I'm not even attempting to use that big grinder anymore.
You just want to waste that little blade that we've got.
No. What you mean? You mean like the big one? It's a waste. Just like a sheet.
That's alright. Should be leaning down, which it is. What's that like?
Is this just a rough cut then?
It's alright.
Is this a rough cut?
Yeah, and then we'll mark it up properly.
That means it might have to go wobbly then.
Might be too friggin' high at this, I don't know.
You're definitely high in that corner.
I know we're gonna have to clean this drain out because I'm slopping it everywhere.
Yeah, Mark, you're too high in that corner.
I think I'm too high everywhere.
Where you've just took it, you know that shit that you took out.
Oh,
You're
you're doing
definitely
me.
too high there.
You're doing me, Eddie.
Well, you just been moaning about it. That right way.
What? Is it right way?
Yeah.
I don't know why is it a certain way on that as well.
I'm not gonna guess so if it's a certain way on that.
Nah,
Nah, sure.
nah, I'm just gonna go for it. That's it.
Just gonna go for it. Yeah, get out.
I need another hammer for me. Hammer. Alright.
You got normal hammer or what?
Nah, we're alright. We're good.
Should it end up looking mallet?
I think we're long here.
Yeah, too low,
Well, that,
too low.
well, that bit that you were saying over high.
Well,
What wasn't it? Oh, you're too high there, Mark. No, I'm not, am I? Too low. Eh?
too high.
I'm not. I'm too low.
You want to look at shit, there's much of an edge.
Oh, God. Oh, dude.
You
Right,
just shoved it down again.
right, I need to leave it up to get it down, you know what I mean? Right. Let me try this. Right. Oh, that's it.
Right, don't touch it then.
This is that where you just tap it that one more time and it cracks flag, isn't it?
Yep.
Right, that's it. I want it, look. Good, 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 good. Yeah. Right, the boys are mixing some concrete up front over there. Tim's just there sorting it out. I'm going to sort this out. These need to be perfect because everybody looks at these constantly. So, if you're going to pick fault with all, it's going to be here. So you want these the best you can. Right, I'm going to try that, and if I've got to alter them, then I'll alter them. Hopefully that'll do it. Try it. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Hands down the drain. Yeah. Oh god, it's spilling all over as well. Might as well prime bottom of it while I'm here. We've got just going to get some acos up here. I think we're about here, and then that gives us 20 mil to tap them down. Just get a big bed on it first. This is that look. Set now, look. Looks alright, that, doesn't it? Had some rain yesterday. Quite a bit of rain. It's all dried out, so it must have a good run on it. Let's get these bedded in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sort this bit out later. It's literally going to go like that. And then I'm going to put a pipe in there. I'm going to hold it up with. Right, that is it for this one. There what we've got to do, look. So, there then. There's a few more out the side, and then, oh yeah, we've got this cornering, look, so, where are we? I built this corner in, and then we're going to face it round here, so that'll be a step, then we're going to have a step just here, and then this is getting patioed eventually, but we're going to concentrate on this first. So they're in, drains it back. Now we have got to do this next time as well. This nice cut round there. Steps going here, which are a bit same height as that one. That's dried out now. Had a big. It's got like a. I don't know if you can see it. See it's still drying out in the middle. That's because it's metal underneath. It just takes ages to dry out. So I'm hoping it ain't going to water stain. I don't think it will. They're all primed, so it shouldn't go through there. So should be good. And then we'll level this step out here. That'll go into there. I've got these to sort out. That's quite nice now, isn't it? And then I've just bedded this in today as well. That and that. Still need some bits for it to sort all this out. But yeah, looking good. Copings are done. Some there to do. come flush with that. That is it. So, yeah, I shall see you in the next one.